We'll start the takeout process from the underneath of the door panel side. Notice there's one bracket right there and the second bracket right besides. We'll need a 10mm wrench like this. We'll use that tool to turn that bracket to 90 degrees. We are done with the first bracket. Similar needs to be done with the second bracket as well. Using the tool, we will turn it to 90 degrees angle. Both of these brackets do not come out completely, they just need to be turned to 90 degrees. Once we are done from the underneath side, now using the plastic trim remover tool, we will take out that cover from the handle. We'll punch in the trim remover tool on the edge and carefully take out that plastic cover. There's that cover taken out. Behind the cover there is one screw. We will need a Torx 30 bit screwdriver to take it out. In my case, I'm using a Torx 30 bit along with an extension and small wrench, but you can also use a Torx 30 bit screwdriver. There we got the first screw taken out. Right underneath the handle, notice there is one more screw that also needs to be taken out. Here again we are using the similar Torx 30 bit tool. Now the screw is loose completely, but for some reason we are not able to pull it outwards. We'll just keep it to that, and while pulling out the door panel, it will fall apart by itself. Now we will use a plastic trim remover tool like this, and we'll punch in the tool on the bottom right corner right there in order to make some space so that we can punch in our fingers. There we got some space created. Now we'll punch in our fingers and then pull out the door panel from the bottom. Bottom right side is pulled out. Now we'll also pull out the bottom left side. Also pull out the door panel from the middle of both sides as well. It's loose from both sides. Now we slightly need to lift up the door panel from this side upwards until the door panel is completely pulled out. There's the door panel pulled out. Now we can just completely take it down. Just to show you guys, this is that bracket right there that made us to slide out the door panel upside. Behind the door panel, there is only one big plug right there that needs to be taken out. It has a tab in the middle that we need to press and then slide down that red color bracket. While sliding down the bracket, you would notice half of the bracket just comes out. The remaining half, we'll just grab the plug and then pull it out. There's the plug taken out. Notice this is behind the inner door handle. It has a tab right there that we need to press towards right side to pull it out. There, it's pulled out. Just to show you guys one more time, this is that tab that I was talking about. Just press it towards right side and then pull it out. With that, we are done taking out the door panel completely. In case if you want to put back the door panel, just reverse the steps of takeout and you should be fine. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Here are the list of tools used for this takeout.